Hi, my name is Adrien. I'm SafeQ IoT expert. I'm working on making things come alive, connecting supply chain assets to the cloud using IoT technologies. Today, I will talk to you about what's called frugal IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. It's about connecting objects either between them or with the cloud. It involves connectivity and a bit of intelligence around it. There is three aspects of IoT applied to flow tracking. The first one is a connected device. The connected device have sensors in it, such as a temperature sensor, accelerometer, humidity sensor, shock sensor, and it allows to collect data to transmit it through the network. So the network is a wide area network that transmits data from the device to the cloud. And the third one is the IoT platform. The IoT platform allows to bring all the data, the different source of data from the client, the business, from the device, and with analyzing it, it allows to extract the maximum potential of all this data to make the client life easier. Frugal IoT is all about making more with less. Less because it's a low complexity, low cost, low bandwidth, yet allowing long battery life. Less because you can track a position every few hours. It allows to extract value in a smart and efficient way and doing more in a more sustainable approach. Today at SafeQ, we are using the power of frugal IoT to track thousands of containers around the world. Thanks to Sigfox 0G technology, we can easily track containers all over the world without having to manage the complexity of roaming, for example, while crossing borders. And finally, at SafeQ, we allow you to track thousands of containers without any hassle, merging a lot of data and allowing to share insights with the client.